Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lena Kistler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk, and we are already at paper perk number 67. And I just wanted to say that I got so many positive comments about last week's paper perk. We did a one-page wonder project, a little zine, and you guys really liked it, so I decided to have another one, and maybe I'll do a series of one-page wonder little projects. So I have here this paper. This is a new paper from the new vintage flowers collection that is going to be out in a few weeks. I need to finish it first, but this is one page of the paper collection, and I printed the other side as well, and I wanted to print it. This is designed for an 8.5 by 11 size. I have an A4 size printer, so for all of you who have the same printer as I do, an A4 printer, I just wanted to show you that you can simply download the 8.5 by 11 paper and print it on an A4. This is how it comes out. So even if you have the A4, don't worry about the size of the paper because it works on both sizes. So I'm just going to cut around, and then we're going to start making our one-page wonder project. So I have the paper, and what I want to do is fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in 3. So when you fold in 3, you can measure. I'm not going to bother measuring. I'm just going to eyeball it. So what I do, I go like this, and then I have basically it doesn't really have to be very accurate. Basically, now I can fold. Just make sure that it's straight, and that's folding it 3 ways. Okay, so now what I want to do is cut the bottom folds, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to cut the other one all the way up to the horizontal fold line. And now I'm just going to flip it so the cuts are on the top. And what I'm going to do, this one is going to fold back. This one is going to fold to the front. Okay. This side is going to go towards the center. And this one we're going to remove, cut out. We're going to use this for pockets. So it's going to make sense in a minute. So this one, like I said, goes to the front, and this one goes to the back. So we can either do it like this. No, like this is better. Okay, so let's ink everything. I'm going to ink everything and then be back. Okay, so we're going to cut this into 4 pieces, and we're going to do it diagonally. So corner to corner, and then just aligning it with the corner and the bottom line here, because I want it to be in the middle. And then I have triangles, and these triangles are going to be perfect as corner pockets. The reason we're making corner pockets is because they go well with any size insert, tag, or journaling card that you're going to insert. So I'm just going to see what side I want to use, and let's use this side this time. I'm inking the edges as I always do, and let's use this one with the rose. Of course you can reverse the direction. Let's see if we can reverse the direction. We can actually, we might do this. No, I'll just stay with the original design, even though I have less flowers here, but that's okay. We can just reverse it next time. We can make two, and we also have them here. So let's add the pockets. So the first one opens to the top, so I want a pocket here. And then of course you can add whatever you want into the pockets. Just showing you how to make it, and then you can add the tags, the journaling cards, whatever you want. Embellish it any way that you want. Okay, so this is one. Then we open it up, and we're going to have a second one here. Of course, you can decide to put them elsewhere, any way that you choose. And then we have, I think I'm going to have one here on the opposite side. And then I'm also going to have one on the top. I really like those tuck-in spots that are facing down. So when you attach it, always make sure it doesn't interfere with anything. So this will be really cool to tuck things under there, even though it's on the top side. So that is also cool. Okay, so this one goes like this, and this one I'm going to put in the back and have a pocket. So let's just do this. Now we know it's a pocket, so I'm just going to put some glue on the top, on the bottom. We don't need here because the fold is doing the job that we need to close. And then here we have a pocket. So now you can embellish the front. You have room for a lot of journaling cards, photos, whatever you want. And you made it from just one. This goes up here, this goes here. You made it from one, and you have another pocket here, and you made it from just one piece of paper. Isn't that cool? I think it's really cool. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for joining me. To grab this free printable, go to the Paper Perk Facebook group. There is a link in the description under the video. You click on that, you join the group, and then you have access to all the Paper Perks free printables, and you can use them any way that you want, or just do what I did, the project that I did in the video. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you liked it, and I will see you next time.